Welcome back to PennyWise Perspectives, your go-to channel for everything personal finance. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic that's often overlooked. Money Management 101, the 10 best tips for beginners. When it comes to managing your money, there's more to it than budgeting and saving. In this quick guide, we'll explore some uncommon but highly effective tips for money management, specifically tailored for beginners. These insights can help you make the most of your finances in under just 10 minutes. Disclaimer: I am not a financial advisor. The content provided in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Now, let's dive into today's topic. 1. Understanding money. Money is more than just currency. It's a tool that enables you to achieve your goals and dreams. To manage it wisely, you need to understand its basics. Money can be earned through various means like a job, business, or investments. It can be spent on necessities, pleasures, or saved for the future. 2. Leverage windfalls. When you receive unexpected money, like a tax refund or a work bonus, consider using it to boost your financial standing. Allocate a portion to pay off debt, some to invest, and treat yourself with a small portion to maintain balance. 3. Living within your means. One of the golden rules of money management is to live within your means. Avoid unnecessary debt by not spending more than you earn. If you can't afford something right now, save for it, rather than relying on credit. 4. The 30-day rule. Before making a non-essential purchase, wait for 30 days. This gives you time to assess whether you truly need the item or if it's an impulse buy. If you still want it after a month, consider making the purchase. 5. The 50-30-20 rule. Budgeting is a fundamental aspect of managing your finances effectively. The 50-30-20 rule offers a simplified yet efficient approach. Here's a breakdown. 50% to needs. This portion covers essential expenses like rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, transportation, and insurance. These are the things you can't do without and need to pay every month. 30% to wants. This category allows for discretionary spending on things like dining out, entertainment, hobbies, and non-essential shopping. It's essential to enjoy life, but maintaining balance is key. 20% to savings and debt repayment. This is where you secure your financial future. Allocate 20% of your income to savings, including retirement accounts and emergency funds. Additionally, use this portion to pay down high-interest debts faster. Remember, this rule provides flexibility, so you can adapt it to your specific circumstances. As you progress, you may allocate more to savings or investments, ultimately improving your financial position. 6. Understand your credit score. Your credit score influences your ability to secure loans, mortgages, or credit cards, and determines the interest rates you'll pay. To make the most of your financial options, regularly check your credit score. Monitor your credit score through free credit report services or credit monitoring apps. Review your credit report for errors and discrepancies, which can affect your score. Improve your credit score, pay bills on time, reduce credit card balances, and avoid opening multiple new accounts within a short period. These actions can boost your credit score over time. 7. Emergency kit for financial storms. Financial emergencies can strike unexpectedly. Preparing an emergency kit ensures you're ready to navigate these challenges. Important documents. Keep copies of essential documents like birth certificates, passports, social security cards, and insurance policies in a secure place. Consider digital copies stored in a password-protected cloud account for added security. Account details. Maintain an updated list of your financial accounts, including bank accounts, investments, and retirement funds. Include account numbers and contact information for each institution. Contact information. Create a list of essential contacts, such as financial advisors, insurance agents, and family members. This list can be invaluable during emergencies. Having this kit readily available can ease stress during difficult times and help you recover more smoothly from financial setbacks. 8. Dealing with debt. Debt management is crucial for long-term financial stability. Prioritize high-interest debts. Start by paying down debts with the highest interest rates, like credit cards and payday loans. These debts accrue interest quickly, so paying them off first saves you money in the long run. Minimum payments. While focusing on high-interest debts, continue making minimum payments on all your obligations. This keeps your accounts in good standing and maintains your credit score. Create a repayment plan. Develop a detailed debt repayment plan that includes how much extra you can allocate toward debt each month. As you pay off one debt, roll that payment into paying off the next one, creating a snowball effect. Seek professional help if needed. If your debt becomes overwhelming, consider consulting a financial advisor or credit counseling service for guidance on debt consolidation or management. By tackling your debt strategically, you can work towards a debt-free future and free up more funds for saving and investing. Real quick, fam, have you seen these awesome t-shirts? Make sure to check out my Etsy shop link down below in the description and rock these funny tees like a boss. Now let's get back to the video. 9. Investing wisely. Investing is a cornerstone of building wealth and securing your financial future. Here's how you can invest wisely. Diversify your portfolio. A diverse investment portfolio spreads risk and can lead to more stable returns. Consider investing in a mix of assets like stocks, bonds, real estate, and even alternative investments like commodities or cryptocurrencies. Diversification can help cushion your portfolio against market volatility. Understand your risk tolerance. Before investing, assess your risk tolerance. Are you comfortable with the possibility of fluctuations in your investment's value, or do you prefer a more conservative approach? Understanding your risk tolerance helps you make informed investment choices. Long-term perspective. Investing is a long-term game. While markets may experience short-term fluctuations, history shows that, over the long haul, investments tend to grow in value. Don't let short-term market volatility deter you from your long-term financial goals. Professional advice. If you're new to investing or have a significant portfolio, consider seeking advice from a financial advisor. They can help you develop an investment strategy tailored to your goals and risk tolerance. Robo-advisors. Robo-advisors are automated investment platforms that use algorithms to create and manage your investment portfolio. They're an excellent option for beginners or those who prefer a hands-off approach to investing. Robo-advisors assess your risk tolerance and financial goals and create a diversified portfolio on your behalf. Keep costs in check. Pay attention to investment fees and expenses. High fees can eat into your returns over time. Look for low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, as cost-effective options. Regular monitoring. Even with a long-term perspective, it's essential to periodically review your investments. Make adjustments as needed to stay aligned with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Investing wisely is about making informed choices and having a clear plan. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, there are strategies and tools available to help you make the most of your investments and work towards your financial objectives. 10. Seek professional advice. If you're unsure about your financial decisions, don't hesitate to seek advice from a financial advisor. They can provide personalized guidance to help you achieve your financial goals. While traditional money management advice is essential, these tips can give you an extra edge in your financial journey. Remember that financial literacy is an ongoing process, and by incorporating these lesser-known strategies, you can build a more secure financial future. Please comment below any money-related topics you'd like for me to cover in a future video. If you loved today's valuable video, consider smashing that like and subscribe button. Don't forget to share it with a friend. Together, let's embrace abundance, develop financial intelligence, and make our dreams of financial freedom a reality. Fam, have you seen these awesome t-shirts? Make sure to check out my Etsy shop by using the link in the description below and rock these funny tees like a boss. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.